welcome back to another week of decorating my planner with me. This week I thought I would embrace the green and go full on St. Patty's Day. I love these stickers. I got them from the Dollar Tree and I like the pop of gold, so I have chosen a few different washi that have gold in it as well. So let's get started. Before I put washi on the left-hand side, I like to cover up the calendar. I pre-cut these squares. They are just stickered paper and I cut them to size. Before I start planning, I always like to add some fun stickers, and I know I just got some from Carolina's Crafts sticker subscription. If you guys missed that video, I'll leave that down below. Now to start planning, I got these page flags from Target and I thought the gold would go well with the theme. They're not very sticky, so I have to add a little bit of glue on the back of them. I use the left-hand side for all of the videos that I want to have uploaded for the week, and then any videos that I want to film as well. I use a Sharpie for this. It just seems to write better on top of Post-its and washi. I also like to choose the pens that I'm going to use for the week, and I have been loving these Paper Mate flares. They are just so vibrant. If you guys don't have any of the checkbox lists, I just find it really easy just to make your own. Now that I have all of the videos that I want to film and upload, I like to write down my work schedule, and then I'll go back and write the days that I can upload and then the days that I can film as well. This just really helps me to stay organized and on top of my schedule. So the first thing I want to do is get out some birthday stickers because my two little kitties turn 1 on St. Patty's Day. So I definitely want to make the day a little bit more special for them. I also have a car appointment that day, and I saw these little car stickers. I thought they would be perfect for that. I'm already loving the sticker subscription from Carolina's Crafts. I couldn't believe she had a little dentist sticker. This is perfect since I do tend to go to the dentist pretty often. I have an appointment on Thursday. I don't do a lot of meal planning since I work in the evenings, but I do like to try a new recipe each week. This week I'm going to try one on Thursday since I have the night off. If you guys have any favorite recipes that you'd like me to try, I'd love to hear them. if you want to see my layout at the end of the week, I do post that on Instagram on Sundays. I also have a wine test that I have to do for work on Friday, so I want to make sure that I get that done. Sunday's going to be my really busy day, so I definitely want to have a checkbox list there so I can write everything that I need to do. If you guys print your stickers like me, I find it easy to make a little slit in the back, and this way you can tear it apart easy. So that's a look at the beginning of my week. I love how it turned out. I love these little leprechauns, and I am really looking forward to trying my new recipe this week. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Included extras, so if you don't choose the full-size sticker set by a certain time, I believe, then she adds more stickers. So the original set comes with